Hello friends, today I will show you why your mobile phone uses internet even when you are not use it and how to stop this background data usage. Come to mobile setting, open the mobile settings, then come to connections, then data usage, then come to mobile data usage, then come to apps, allow background data usage on it will off all software on it will off like allow background data usage off